where's the coconut tree? And this is one of it. In Mombasa, if you don't see that, then the minister maybe you're not in Mombasa. That's a church over there. That's a mango tree over there. Solidarity. Solidarity. If you see some mangoes over there, that means when you go to the market, you can buy mangoes. Wow. You can hear from the mosque this time like so I'm heading to maybe buy some This is an evening and the time is like 5:30. I wanted to go and look for some fish, and I hope you're having a very wonderful day outside there, and I hope you enjoy your holiday, guys, and have a blessed day. You can hear there is some music here and there. You have to experience it. Oh, this is so dark. This is a village. Here we are heading to Kisimani. At 900. In fact, so guys, I'm heading to somewhere we call Sports. I'm going to look for vegetables. This is a school, African Inland Church from Burundi. But in Mombasa, they have some bananas. But this someone is, as you can see. So there is somewhere here that you usually cook fish, and let me see if she's there today. She's not there either. You know, here you cannot pass over here. I've been looking for a way, but this one here, it is very, 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 very awkward. You see, this is like this. Whatever it has rained like a day or two, this is what happens over here. So here, it's like I'm gonna go back and then I'm gonna pass the other side. Like this cornering here. Ooh. It's very risky to pass over here. My first time at least. You see, I'm going to the main road. Like here, I'm just passing, and the population in this area here is very high because you can't breathe. That's why it is very hot. So today I see, like I show you around on that side. This is the main road now, and here maybe you wanna have a walk from this place over here. Buying some vegetables. There is some vegetables, the traditional vegetables that I want, and maybe I go out to the main center. That's where I wanna find them. But if I don't find them, maybe I gonna go buy some fish. And I'm just behind the buffet. Oh, very nice. Is making is it a U-turn or a Y-turn or a B-turn? A pita. A pita. Want like nice vegetables? There's somewhere at the center from the market. You don't want to go to the market. There's somewhere special place that you wanna buy some vegetables, traditional vegetables, and that's where I'm heading to. So around time 5 p.m. in the evening. What do you say about this Christmas? A few days to go, like it's all the plans to each and everyone. Small businesses can see traders like they're selling pineapple.
I'm enjoying food with my mom.
Over here, loaves and nasi, spinach. Ngapi? Shirini. Acha nione. Acha nilikuwa naona nipike huku kwanza, nikikosa ndio niangalie mboga nyingine. Mpaka hizi. Sasa hii nitachanganya na nini kwa sasa? Kama ninunue hii. Kuna siku ingine nilikuja huku ndio maana nimerudi kuangalia. Sasa we have this one is 10 shillings. So this is 10 shillings. I will take one. Kasi kitawa njoo nisaidie. Everything here is 10 shillings. So I'm gonna buy this spoon. No, I don't want fish. Like I'm going to eat only the vegetables. Angalia hizi. Sisi tumezoea, unajua bara zile zimekatwa katwa. Hata huku ni hivi. Zimefika ni samia. Is she going to add me one? This one. Na huku niweke hiyo ya 10 basi. Sijui kama itakuwa imetosha. Oh. Kama nataka hiyo. Nichukue ya 20. Let me take up 10 shillings. Shika hii, toa hiyo ya, toa hiyo. Niwekee ukate hizi. So it is I think I don't know how much I'm going to give one to wait. So this is where we get vegetables. There's also some fish here, but my sister told me that if they are not fresh, maybe we're gonna not do what? Maybe it may. Here we have terere. This one over here we have cowpeas leaves. This one over here we have managu. We have pumpkin leaves over here. This is pumpkin leaves. So I don't know what I can say, guys. Let me know in the comment section where you're watching us from. So today this mom here, she's lucky because I'm going to buy from her. And I'm just behind over here. It's not that hot, that's cool down like. So, and I hope you are having a very wonderful day as you watch this video until the end. Wow. Hi guys, welcome to my beautiful state of good morning, good afternoon, depends on the way you are watching us. So catch us live from beautiful area over here, Mombasa. This is I'm on stage. You can see I'm carrying the vegetables that I had gone to buy, and I'm just going back home. You can see from the start of the video. Oh, we have gone a long way. It's not just like when you come out and just get some vegetables at the door, like when you are at the village. So let me know in the comment section where you're watching us from. And I really appreciate the love always. Have a pleasant day, have a pleasant holiday, and God bless you. Let's continue praying to each other, and I really appreciate. So let's go home and see what's going to happen. I'm on the main highway. In fact, people are starting preparing for Christmas Eve. Even making your hair, you can see. For myself, I want to remove my hair so that maybe I'm gonna make it because of too much hotness. So so guys, I was showing them where my channel is, because sometimes they get scared if you take them some videos. They get scared. So I was trying to show her my channel so that she's gonna do what she gonna maybe see me over here. Slow luxury. Sasa tuko mtahani. It is so beautiful. They have some flowers over here. So I'm gonna pass it there. Sometimes it's not that easy, like to shoot a video. Imagine when I was doing what? When I was buying the vegetables, the mama never wanted because of they think that you are taking their pictures maybe somewhere to go and they do like other stuff. You see? Here they're cooking food, take away food. And I wanna pass over here some shoes here if you want. Nice shoes, guys. So back there, they're selling some fish, fried chicken. So, but then in low prices, not like when you buy from the supermarket. It is not that. It's like on your portion, the money that you have, and the money that you want to spend from 50, 20, 30, and that's how it is, guys. So it's just like that. This is the stage over here. Naenda kukomenta chimu. Agotevirenga kon. Tati goseirenga. Kunasi. 35. Mbona ni sosa ngani ngo? Ni sosa. Cái này cái gì? Nghe điều mệt.
yakivutia mamia ya vijana waliokuwa wanatafuta timu zao.